Hey everyone, I'm Mecca here from my self-publishing blueprint, and I'm so excited to highlight some student successes over the next few videos here. So this is the first one I want to just kind of bring some attention to. Really proud of this guy for hustling and doing what he's been doing over the last little bit. It's been so exciting to watch his sales increase month after month after month. And within a 3 months period, he's been able to scale his business to over $11,000 a month, and it's just so cool. So I want to kind of walk you through some of the posts he's been making, his dashboards, and just kind of talk about it is totally possible still to be making $10,000, $11,000, $12,000 plus a month solely from just Kindle publishing. And really, when I say Kindle publishing, it's not Kindle publishing anymore, right? That really, the term is self-publishing, because as you're going to see, he's using not just Amazon's platform. He's using Smashwords. He's using, I believe I saw some Drafted Digital here. We'll have to check in a second. So he's utilizing a lot of other platforms outside of Amazon, which is so key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You don't just have to be on Amazon anymore. There's so much money out there. So let's kind of dive into it. I'm going to show you his progress from November to January. And so let me just pull it up here. All right. So this was his, where is it? This was his November report. And, he broke $3,000. As you can see here, he broke the $3,000 barrier for the very first time with just 12 books and 10 single books, 2 bundles, right? So he has 10 individual books and he has 2 of them together, creating a bundle. So he has 12 actual products out. And, it says it did about 200 books or so on ACX. And this was when he really realized that there's no money in royalty split. Royalty split, if you don't have the extra $60 or whatever the case is to get the audiobook, but then it might even be better, just hold off on doing your audiobook until you have an extra $60-$70, whatever it'll cost you to get a good, decent narrator to you pay up front to do your audiobook, so you can collect full royalties, because I know it's made such a difference. So $3,000 in November. And that's cool. And then you'll see what happened the next month. Check out what he did. And he was just posting these inside of our Facebook group with my self-publishing blueprint. And then check out what he did here. December report. Over $7,500 from Kindle CreateSpace and Drafted Digital. ACX, he did about another $1,000. So over $8,000 total from 15 books. So exciting to see. He's not even publishing a ton of books, but he's making sure his keyword research and everything is right on point in order to get the most from these particular books. And he says, to give some perspective, 4 months ago, he made $23 that month. And in December, he did over $8,000. So just so cool here. You can see this looks like the KDP dashboard. That could be Drafted Digital or ACX. I think it's Drafted Digital, actually. And that, of course, is CreateSpace there. And then check out what he did last month. All right, so here it is. It says January, so fun, $10,500 plus another $600 or so. So just over $11,000 for the month of January. And 11 grand, I don't care where you are, that is impressive. That is so cool. And I believe he only started, it was back late summer, if memory serves me right, but don't quote me on that. I can't remember the exact date there, but just so excited to see him scale his business to over $10,000 a month in pretty much half a year. So cool. And big congrats to you. And he didn't want to be publicized here, so that's why his name's blacked out and everything like that. But just so proud of the success he's been doing, and more importantly, just the help he's been providing inside of our Facebook group. Quick to answer questions, and never shying away from giving a helping hand or helping other students kind of speed up their success by letting them know don't do the royalty split on ACX, or do this and this didn't work well and this worked well. It's just so cool to see that culture there in my self-publishing blueprint. So hey, if you're looking for more information, you want to find out how to get results like this, there's two things you can do. One, definitely hit up myselfpublishingblueprint.com. There's a link in the description below. You can sign up today, and it is the fastest growing, most popular Kindle self-publishing course on the market. We're doing a massive update. It's February 9th. I'll probably get this up the next day or so, depending on when you're watching this. We're doing a massive update. A ton of new lessons are coming on over the next little bit, so you want to make sure you get it in while you can still get it for the price that it is currently at, because it will be going up. The next thing you can be doing, if you're already publishing, you're looking for a little bit more advanced and you want to go a little deeper into things, join the Accelerator program. It's a group coaching every month. You get 2 extra webinars that we kind of dive deep into different areas of self-publishing to help you get the most out of your books, out of your products that you're building, your assets that you're building for yourself. So hey, hit me up in the comments. You know how to reach me. Until next time, everybody, I'm Emeka. Hope you all doing great.